So today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a campfire using cotton balls with applied Vaseline to the cotton balls. So first you want to start out with having a good pile of dry wood. Don't have it wet or anything. We have our cotton balls. Today we're going to be using 2 cotton balls. And we have our Vaseline that we're going to be applying to the cotton balls. And the reason we're using Vaseline because Vaseline is very flammable. And when applied to the cotton ball, it holds the flame, the initial spark longer compared to not using the cotton ball applicant with the Vaseline. So we really want to make sure we coat the cotton balls in the Vaseline as good as possible. You really want the Vaseline in the fibers of the cotton. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. We're going to be using a match to for our initial flame for the core of this fire. Our next step is we really want to shave down a piece of dry wood into real fine pieces of tinder. Yeah, really shave down those pieces, the wood into small pieces, and that's gonna actually help us with our initial flame. You know, with all fires, you really want to make sure you have a strong core. And these pieces here are actually going to help us. Alright, so we're about to begin. We have the cotton ball coated in the Vaseline. Alright, we have our match. We're going to strike our match and bring that flame onto the cotton ball. And as I say, the Vaseline is going to help that flame, that initial flame's longevity, and keeping it lit long enough for us to apply the wood on top, so it can catch fire easily. As you can see, that flame on that cotton ball is still going, and that is because of the Vaseline that is applied. Now we're going to add our shavings. Now give it a blow. Now give the fire some oxygen, and as you can see, it's starting to light up, especially with those fine shavings, the wood shavings. We'll give it some more oxygen. Fire is lit. We officially have a fire. And that's how we do it with the cotton ball Vaseline method.